You've probably been asked wondering how to analyze the under 2.5 market. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to break it down so you can increase your chances of winning and grow your bankroll. So we'll be focusing on the Premier League and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Liverpool versus Everton. So checking my last 5 matches, we can see that on 23:02:13, you can see that our market worked here. Our market worked under 2.5 worked because the goals are under 3. The goals are under 3 here. You can see that they only scored 2 goals in total. So our market did work. Moving on the next match, 23:10:21, we can see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked, guys. Can you see that? Our market worked here because 2 goals were scored in total by Liverpool. So moving on the next match, we can see on 24:04:24, we can see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked again. Can you see that this market is working? Like, just look, like 3 times in a row. Can you see that? So our market worked here, under 2.5 worked. Moving in the next match, 25:02:12, you can see that our market didn't work here, guys. Our market didn't work. But let's not lose hope. Let's check on the next match. On 25:04:02, we can see that our market worked, guys. The under 2.5 worked here. Did you see that? Like the under 2.5 worked here. So guys, this is what analyzing, right? You can see that our market worked 4 times in a row. This market worked 4 times in a row. So guys, this is what I was saying in the last video, and also I'll be saying it again in this video. When you're analyzing, right, you should check whether the market you're trying to bet on did work 4 or 5 times in the last 5 matches. That's one of the things which you have to check before placing your bet. And also check whether they worked 4 times or 5 times. If it's that, means you have a good bet, right? Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.